How to connect Spotify to speakers. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow because the channel is really small. Now let's head to the video. First you open Spotify, you select the song that you want to. For example, I have selected this song and I want to make sure it plays on a speaker. So the only way possible to connect it is through your Bluetooth. So you have to scroll down, open your settings, click on Bluetooth, and you have to turn on your speakers and the Bluetooth on it, or any other device that you want your Spotify to connect it. You have to turn on your Bluetooth. Once your Bluetooth is on, it will search for the pairs that are actively available around you. If your speakers are on, then option will come here and then you have to click on it and it will automatically connect to it. Once you click on it and connect to it, and you can click on the play icon on the music, automatically your music is connected to your speakers and your speakers will start playing the music. Make sure to check if the speaker volumes are high, because sometimes it's on 0 and people get confused, is it working, is it not working. So make sure your speaker volume is up and even your phone volume is up. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.